Fed up with a passive noise cancellation or traditional earbuds, I was pondering on the question if I could find any active noise cancellation earbuds for under 2500 rupees INR, and to my surprise, there was actually one earbuds which was under 2500 rupees and it came up with active noise cancellation. We're talking about the BoAt AirDopes 411 ANC. So today, we're going to be unboxing the BoAt 411 ANC and check if it's any good. So without much ado, my name is Jonathan. You're watching Tech Teachers and let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now by hitting the subscribe button. Also, click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Now I'll shut my mouth and let you take a look at the unboxing.
Take it easy, there's no need to scream and shout. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. Never mind, I'm thinking out loud before we draw a crowd. Reel it in, take it easy, there's no need to scream and shout. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace.
Now after that beautiful unboxing, allow me to summarize my initial experience about the BoAt 411 ANC. So the earbuds are actually good. They sound pretty good. The active noise cancellation works surprisingly well, especially considering the price of under 2500 rupees. Unfortunately, yes, it's not available on Amazon or Flipkart, but yes, you can get it on BoAt website, and sometimes BoAt even offers some discount which will get the price for under 2000 rupees, which will be an icing on the cake. And other than that, coming to the earbuds itself, the earbuds last for somewhere around 3 to 3.5 hours on a single charge, and the case itself, it can charge your earbuds 3 to 4 times. Yes, I have experienced 4 times too. Apart from the fact the case gets charged within 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes at max, so that is another good thing. Also the fact that the case itself is Type-C, which is again a great addition for the price of under 2500 rupees. So overall, if you are looking for a ANC earbuds and you are strictly your budget is strictly under 2500 rupees, then I would highly recommend you to buy the 411 ANC. But if you would like me to dig deep and find out if there are any caveats, then do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want me to make a review on the same, I'll be here to make one review for you. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and feel like the one who's standing behind the camera shaker feeling, make sure to crack the like button. But if you thought this video sucked, you better know what to do. But if you loved it and want to see more such awesome videos dropping at least twice a week, then it's no better time than hit the subscribe button. Until then, this has been your host Jonathan from Tech Teachers, signing off.